Want a YouTube channel that grows fast and earns while you sleep? You're going to love this tool. I found something that builds full YouTube channels using real AI in just minutes, no joke. You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or even edit a single video ever again. This tool creates full videos, titles, descriptions, and thumbnails automatically for you. Just choose your niche, hit a button, and watch it build a complete channel that looks pro. People are using this to grow passive income streams without ever being on camera at all. I tried it myself and was honestly shocked at how fast it worked. Everything was done for me. This is perfect for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone who wants results without the stress. You can even run multiple channels and let the AI do all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Click the link in the description to see it in action and grab your access before it's gone. Don't miss this. Turn your YouTube dreams into income with zero skills or experience today.